Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, now, the second one is a reflection. And a reflection, you might know it as a flip motion, okay, because you are flipping the figure over something. In this case, it uses a line to move the figure, because you are moving that figure over the line. Okay, now the last one was a rotation. And a rotation, okay, moves the figure around a point of rotation. Now that point of rotation might be in the figure itself. If I were to have a point like literally right in the center of this and rotate this around that point, that could be the point of rotation, okay? Or it could be not on the figure itself and you are rotating the figure around that point, okay? But you are always rotating it a specific angle, okay? Now, that having been said, here's a note that I did not have you guys put down before, but I want you to add this. If you, in the notation, you get something that says negative 90 degrees, this is counterclockwise. In other words, opposite direction that the clock moves. So a clock moves this way round, so counterclockwise would be this way. Okay? If it were a positive angle, this is the clockwise direction. Okay, so far so good. Now that we've gone through the types of rotations, let us actually do a rotation and then we'll work on filling in the information that is in your packet. Now we started some of it already, okay, and we're going to kind of redo a little bit of it. Okay. We're going to look at a translation first. So find in your packet the blank page that has translation, or get a clean blank page, whatever the case may be. Okay, so the notation for translation is a big O T. Okay, we said that we do a translation where we are sliding the figure, okay, across the plane or across the coordinate system. Okay, we use a segment, and the order of the letters of the segment matters. Okay, so if I tell you that I have a segment AB, okay, we are translating. In this case, I'm going to translate an entire triangle. Triangle ABC, and I'm going to translate it along the segment A to B. So it's really important that the order of the letter matters. It tells you the direction you're going. Okay, it tells you your direction. In this case, from A to B. Okay. Alright, this is your pre-image. Before we start moving the object around, that's called our pre-image. Okay, and this, where we use that prime notation, that's what that is. This is the image after it's moved. Okay, so before we move it, it's the pre-image. After we move it, it's the image. The T just tells you that this is a translation. Okay, this is the slide movement. Okay, so we're going to